all these kids' books over here. That. Oh, look at this. They still get these, and these are in good condition. Look at this. Virtually untouched.
I got it.
Oh.
Yeah, so when you go that way, I'm gonna go.
I didn't know what you were doing. Actually, a lot of cool things in here. Actually, I don't care if you guys, if they see the address of this place.
Yeah.
Most people ain't gonna want to come here.
No. It's caving in.
Life magazine, huh?
It's caving in.
Yeah. 1964. I guess at one time they had this posted.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah.
This is a military helmet. I'm not sure. Wow, this place is bad. I don't know how far we're going in. It's caving in. Maybe I could get. Yeah, second floor is totally going with it. There's no way up there. You have a lot of stuff in here. There's a television. A Monopoly game. Look at that. Black Horse Ale. Old Stock Ale. Oh, here these are. Yes, I think I found photos. Yes, I did. I don't see the house. It just looks like vacation pictures. Maybe this is a house right here. I can't tell because the floor is in rough shape. It looks like it's from the 70s.
Here has the Queen on it. Queen Elizabeth. And this is from February 18th, 1952.
This Christmas decoration. It's the best looking thing in this house.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Yep. And here's another one. This is from Earth earthquake in Alaska. April 10th.
See how far we can get in here. As you can see, this is the kitchen area. That's second floor. Actually, kitchen area. Like again, look at this floor. Everything's falling over. I mean, this thing could let out, you know, let go today while we're in here. Look at the cabinets. Everything's going over.
They weren't completely like
From $95. Wow. I know what this was. 2005. Alright, so people were living here in 2005.
wow, weird.
Oh. Oof. This is a kitchen. This is a bathroom area. Got medication here from 2002. Right. That roof caves in, I'm trapped in here.
Oh, yeah, right.
And you're probably gonna be in the basement.
All right.
Here's another Life magazine. 58. Honestly, don't even know if these belong to this house, but yeah, they go off.
Here's the light from the kitchen, the roof completely caved in.
You see that's the tub, the ironing board in it. Look at this. Untouched. Even a bar of soap. They just up and left this place. A bunch of ties over here. Purple Teletubby. Some kind of instructor. Guy's name was Dan. Oh, the VFW.
Maybe this was some type of a family picture or something. Some rough sheets.
NyQuil over here. Wow. This stuff is, it even has a battery in it. This looks like some kind of clock.
Yeah.
If you see anything with a name on it, nobody's going to come here.
No,
I mean, this is cool to watch, but you know what I mean?
Yeah. I've been blocking things out.
I try to block things out, but you might miss it. It's whatever here. This ain't like untouched. It's not going to get destroyed.
Dog repellent.
I think most people would be afraid to come in here, to be honest.
Yeah.
More magazines down here. National Geographic.
It's through here. Oh, bathroom.
Yeah, good.
This
This stuff. There's some cologne.
Yeah.
It still smells good. I ain't gonna spray it though.
Yep.
And you could go here and I'll go that way.
Yeah. No, I mean, I'm okay. I'm going to come out because there's really not much in here.
No.
I'm good. Yeah. Come out this way.
But again, it would have been nice to get to that second floor.
Well, I mean, I think he does go up there. Where's the stairs? Am I missing one?
I think it goes from outside, to be honest.
Oh.
I mean,
I don't even see stairs in
the
there.
kitchen area. He's in very rough shape. Like this floor I'm walking on right now definitely should not be over here. There's some old photos over there. Yeah, I don't see any stairs. It'd be amazing if this still had water running. That's it for down here. We're gonna try to go upstairs. I just don't know how lucky we're gonna get with that. Boot polish. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get any luck, but we do, you see. Oh. It is, isn't it? Need some Ziploc bags. Brand new. Alright, definitely not getting upstairs, guys. As you can see, this was another room. I don't think this place has a basement, though. So it might be safe to walk over here. But the second floor was over there. You know, the funny thing about this is this place is actually for sale. Obviously, they're not going to repair the house. You can see this has definitely been like this for some time. And that's the way we went in. It's not secured, obviously. How are you going to secure that? I'm just showing you that there is absolutely no way to get upstairs. It's the back of it. It's the back of the place. There is actually a basement here. Okay, I was wrong. But we're not going to go down there because the whole place will probably fall on us. It's kind of insane. I'm sure the land's for sale. Nobody's going to repair this. And you'd be pretty crazy to do that. That's it, guys.